Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 58 Student Forest Loop Barrier with Laravel 12 dompdf download PDF. Tuition classes in Laravel 12 www.errorsolutioncode.com. This is a YouTube channel is for sale $1199. This is only sell this full YouTube channel. This is a YouTube channel is a sale. And this is a fully video on YouTube channel. Sell this $111.1199. This is a dollar change. Please contact this number. Contact for website related service to please contact. And this is a command line inside this project. Inside this is a already installation. This is a cmd open, and this command is a install already. Please check this previous video, this copy command and paste here this directory inside. This is already installation. This is, let's check, this is an installation. Good. And this is a my gem server already started, Apache and MySQL in this already started, and this is already run localhost PSP my admin, and this is a my project is already run. Let's click this student, open this student, and inside this previous video is only single PDF is download. Today is a forest loop is a multiple PDF is a download. Let's first of all, this is a list file is open. Let's open resource view, super admin and student inside. This is a index file. This is a previous video. This is a only implementation. This is a previous video. This PDF icon is a set. Let's this copy inside. This is a copy. This air tag is copy and paste here and save file and refresh this page successfully. This is available. This is second is available this button. This is a, let's check, this is the implementation PDF save file and refresh this page successfully. This is a PDF is available. This is a air student. This is successfully air student is available. This PDF, this PDF icon is a remove, and this is icon is a implementation PDF icon. This FAF file PDF. This icon is a FAF file PDF is a set. All good. Inside this PDF student, save file and refresh this page, and successfully this is available. This is a color is a same. This is a primary color. Save file and refresh this page successfully. This is a primary color. Same name is a color. Let's click this. Successfully inside this available super admin student and PDF. Same name, copy. This is a name is a copy, and air tag is available. Air tag means get method route web.php open, and inside this student, and this is a new route is a create a route get paste here. Let's student controller class. This is a PDF student. Save file and this is a copy. This name is a copy, and student controller open. Student controller app http controller, and this is a student controller. Inside this is a new function is a create public function paste here. Let's request $request save file. Let's echo and die. Save file and refresh this page successfully working fine. This is a string is available, and this is a website is a fully website is a selling. This website and this YouTube channel is a selling $1199 only selling. Let's step by step this is available. Let's inside this is a new, this is a record is available. Let's blank and refresh this page. 100% is a blank, not a show. Let's first of all, this is a student. Click this student. This is a student. Open this, click the student, and this student is a for record is available. The student table is this table name. Inside this model is available student model. This is a student model. Same name copy. This is a model is already included. This copy copy, and inside this is already included, this is included, and use the pdf. Inside this pdf is a use $get record is equal to paste and get $data title, and this is the name is a student pdf. Second is the same name, is today is the date is a created date dmy. Next, sorry, this is a paste here. Same, get record same name, $pdf is equal to pdf load view pdf dot student pdf for pdf, and this is the $data is a pass here. This is a $data is a pass, this same name $data, and this is a close. Return $pdf download student all pdf. Save file successfully. File is a save. Please write down the same name. Let's pdf. This is a pdf is available. Pdf inside this is name copy, and this is a new file is a blade.php successfully create, and this is a hello. Save file is a hello, and back button, click this and refresh this page, and let's click this. Working fine. This is a hello is a download. Please wait. This is a successfully download student all pdf. Let's check. This is successfully hello is a show. Good working. This is a hello is a 100% working. Let's step by step implementation. HTML inside this implementation Laravel 12, otherwise student Laravel 12. This is the title, only simple way. Inside this one bootstrap file is included. This is a bootstrap file live. CDN is included. Same name. Let's first of all, this is a S1 title $title same name, copy and paste here. P tag, this is a $date. This is a date. Save file. Let's S1 S2 www.errorsolutioncode.com, and this is a bootstrap table is a create table class table bordered. Inside this is a srtd. Inside this is a Foreach trtd. Successfully Foreach and end Foreach. Save file. Working fine. This is a good working. Let's step by step. First of all, this is a table is available. This table first is a id, same name is a id. This is a copy and paste. First is id set. Okay, sorry, this is id. Otherwise the same name is a copy. This copy and inside this paste here. Please write down step by step. This is all write down. Save file successfully all write down. And inside this Foreach loop is available. This is a Foreach loop is a fully copy, otherwise only simple this copy, and inside this is a paste here. Successfully paste the same name, copy, and inside this dollar, this is a record is available, get record as dollar value, save file, working fine. This is a successfully working fine. And this is a ID, name, email, phone, address, birth date, created and updated. This is all databases are available. This is ID, name, email, phone number, address, date, created and updated. This is successfully all available. Let's refresh this page and click this download. Successfully download second PDF. Inside this is available. First of all, this is ID is available, 1 2 3 4 available. This is a 1 2 3 4 is available inside this 1 2 3 4. Next, Zohan, Alex, Mehul and Vivek. Zohan, Alex, Mehul and Vivek. Inside this available, Zohan, Alex, Mehul and Vivek. This is the email ID is a step by step. This is all available. This Gmail account, and inside this Gmail account, this mob phone number, the same name is a phone number. Inside the same phone number, this is the address is available. The same name, all address, and inside this is the all address. This date, created, updated. This successfully available. Create, date, updated. This is a successfully all step by step available. And this is a student PDF is available. This is a Laravel 12 is available. This is a title. This is a title is available, Laravel 12. And this is a title is available. This title, today date is available, today date. And this is a official website is available. This is a official website. This is a official website is available. And this is a clickable. This click in redirect. Any doubt, so please contact. We are help 24/7 anytime. WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype. I'm always available. This is available. And this is all good. This is a clickable website link is set. All successfully set. This is a working fine. Table border. This is a border is a set. Let's check this border, and new table is a download. Let's click this border and this download PDF again. Successfully download second PDF, and this is a working fine. This table is a border is a working file called spanning, and inside this is my misstanding. This is a class. This is a class set in table. Table is available. Let's my misstanding. This is a class set. Please step by step again this write down. Let's again refresh this page. And download. Successfully border is a download. This is 3, and this is a working fine. All successfully. This is a class is a working fine. Please step by step write down. Table. Let's again refresh this page and download and open. This is all successfully. This is a page is available. This is all good. Please write down. This is first of all, this is inside. This is only simple button is add. After this is a route. In this controller inside this route is a implement get method. Inside this function is a implement, and inside this is use PDF, and this is a use model. And please step by step write down this file. All good in this model. All successfully available this table. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.